Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins on a gas stove. Start by mixing 2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, and 1 teaspoon baking powder until just combined. Grease a muffin pan that fits your skillet or use silicone cups. Preheat skillet over medium, add a trivet or ring, and maintain low steady heat to bake muffins through without charring. Mixing method matters for texture, so be gentle and steady. Combine dry ingredients separately, whisk wet ingredients, then fold together until moistened with some lumps remaining. Portion batter into greased cups or liners, filling about 2/3 full to allow rise. Let batter rest briefly while you prepare the skillet and trivet to ensure even cooking and a tender crumb. Place a trivet or heat diffuser in the preheated skillet and set the muffin pan on top. Cover with a tight lid to trap steam and maintain a low, steady heat that mimics oven baking. Avoid lifting the lid too often, only check near the end to test with a toothpick. Rotate the pan once if necessary to promote even browning and remove when centers are set and tops feel springy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.